Hey everyone, it's your boy Joseph here, and welcome to The Passenger Seat. Alright, well, even though we're not an unboxing channel, we got our hands on one of these, and we didn't want to miss the opportunity. So, yeah, if you read the title, you should know already. We've got the OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 exclusive edition phone. That's right. And it's right here. Alright, yep. It is a beaut. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Ooh, wee doggy. Oh my gosh, what? As you can see, the map of Night City is in the interior of the box. Very nice. And as you can see right here, beautiful, sleek box with the black and yellow trims. It says Cyberpunk right there in the bottom, just to denote that it's a collaboration. Looks really awesome. The way this slides off feels so satisfying. Man, oh man. Let me just let me leave that right there. Very nice. Okay, Cyberpunk 2077, we got the little intro packet right here with the manual and all the stickers and stuff. Let's go ahead and pull these out. It's got a little poster right here. Boom. Poster with the weapon of choice. That is very nice. Looks like a blueprint in that black and yellow. And here we got all the specs for the phone in the back. Really nice, really nice. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put this aside. We've got some OnePlus stickers. Cyberpunk, Never Settle, 8T. Awesome. Super cool. Oop. And then we've got here the pin to pull out the SIM card. And then under this is a poem from Cyberpunk, or some type of statement or phrase. And here we go. Here's the phone. Oh geez, I want to be as careful with this as possible. Ooh, man, that has a nice feel to it. Feels pretty weighted. Oh man. Yeah, wow, it feels really nice. I can tell that it's got the Cyberpunk logo right here. It's that yellow color, and then the big old camera section up here, really nice. And then down here we've got, the Cyberpunk charging brick. This is for the 65-watt charging. It's a huge charging brick, but it guarantees, or that's what they say, to charge your phone in about 40 minutes. So pretty cool. I'll just leave that right there where it was. And pop this back out. And this will be the part. Ooh, they did bring some of the pins. All right. Nice. And then down here is going to be, boom, case for the phone. Very nice. Don't think I'm going to use it though, because you don't want to cover up that awesome phone with a case. Just put that back. Alright, so let's talk about some of the specs of the phone. So you've got a 6.5-inch display, so about your usual, standard phone. It's a 1080p display. It's got Gorilla Glass 5. It's got Fluid AMOLED with 120 Hz of refresh rate, up to 120 Hz, and it's got always on display. It's running on OnePlus's, skin for Android 11, which is Oxygen operating system 11. It's working on a Snapdragon 865. It's got 256 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM. So it is the higher end version of the 8T. 8T also comes in 8 gigabytes of RAM with a little less storage. I believe it's 126. So the main camera of the phone, it's a quad camera. It's got a 48 megapixel for regular photos. It's got a 16 megapixel ultra wide, a 5 megapixel macro, and it's got a 2 megapixel for depth effects. It shoots videos at 4K in either 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, whichever you want. And its selfie camera is a 16 megapixel camera in the front with the ability to shoot videos in 1080p at 30 frames per second. It is a USB Type-C, which is awesome because that is currently the norm for most cell phones and devices. A fingerprint scanner is under the display, typical for OnePlus phones. The battery is a 4500 milliamp battery, which isn't the biggest out there, but you know what? It serves its purpose. It's a pretty decent sized battery. It should last you a good enough amount of time. And it should be able to get you through the day. Like I mentioned before, it's got 65 watt charging, and OnePlus advertises that your phone will be charged from, I believe it's 0 to 100, real quick. It'll be charged from 0 to 100 in about 40 minutes, which is relatively fast. As all of you know, Cyberpunk 2077 is a RPG set in a futuristic, sort of dystopian looking world. It's created by CD Projekt Red, who also developed The Witcher, a couple of The Witcher games, and it is slated for December 10th for release. And I know we're all eagerly expecting it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and hopefully you'll take a ride with us next time here in the passenger seat.